I just found a brand new AI tool that lets you build full stack websites or full stack apps without you having to know how to code. All you have to know how to do is simply prompt it and it will do everything else for you. And what does this mean? That now to build websites and apps, you don't have to know how to code, you don't have to wait on a developer, and you can go from idea to having something to show people almost immediately. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what tool I'm talking about, exactly how to use it, and I'm gonna give you 3 use cases right now for how you could use this to advance your career or make more money. Okay, now the tool that I'm talking about is called lovable.dev, and you can access it literally by just coming to lovable.dev, and then as you can see here, all you have to do is type in a prompt and you can actually get it to create things. Now, before I show you what that prompt was, what we're going to be creating in this video, I did want to show you a few other features here. Now, if we come down into Robert's Lovable Workspace, we could see other things that I have built here. We can create a project from here. We can also come over here to From the Community. Now, I really love this feature right here because so many different people are using Lovable right now. It is growing so fast, and you are actually going to be able to build on top of the things that are being created on here if you want to. And you can let other people do the same thing if you want to. So under here, we could filter by popular, we could filter by recent. In addition to that though, we can come over here and we could discover new tools. We could see internal tools, websites, personal, consumer apps, B2B apps, prototypes, and we can come over here and see how many different people have remixed these things. So let's say that we wanted to see this right here, cryptocurrency day trading dashboard. If we click on preview right here, we could see what it actually looks like out here. We could interact with it. We could open up this project, or we could remix this, and we could also see the creator of this project. Now, if we remix this, it's basically going to allow us to build on top of this. If we open this project right here, it is going to open up this project and allow us to actually interact with it and see it. Now, again, those are just extra features that come with Lovable that I think are really cool. Now, if we come over here, I actually want to walk you through building an app or a website with this, because literally all you have to do is chat with Lovable and you will be able to build whatever you want. So I put here, build me a clean, modern, user-friendly mobile web app for tracking GLP-1 shots like Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy, and then the app should include, and it goes through what it should include all here. And then I also have bonus features if possible here. Now, from right here, we can also upload images if we wanted to over here, or we could turn this to be public, like what you just saw right there, where anybody can view it and remix it, or you could turn on workspace where it's only visible to members of that actual workspace if you're trying to build something in stealth mode. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this right here. And what this is going to do is go through, it's going to spin up the preview. It is going to begin creating this. And this is going to make my life 100 times easier because no longer do I have to wait on a developer to actually build something for me. I don't have to hire a developer and I don't have to waste time or money. Once I have an idea, I'm able to actually go through and begin building it because of a tool like Lovable. As we can see here, this is going through, it says, great, I'm excited to help you build GLP Easy, which is what I named this tool right here. This sounds like a fantastic and genuinely useful app for people managing their GLP-1 treatment. So clearly, this actually understands what I'm trying to build here. And then as we can see here, it says, let me start by building out the core features, beautiful dashboard, shot logging, progress tracking, clean calendar interface. I'm going to use gentle gradients, rounded components, and thoughtful micro interactions to create that perfect balance of cute and professional. And it is going through and it is actually creating this. And then literally in just like 30 seconds, this went through and this actually created this right here. Now, we could come over here, we could scroll through here, we could see that this is the home page right here. We have log a shot right here where I could actually come in and log my shot. We have progress right here where we could come through and see our progress, track how we're feeling, our current weight, appetite level, and we could also note any symptoms down here. And if we come over here, we can see a calendar view. Now, some of this stuff does need to be fixed, and it actually calls that out and says this here, and this is what is so awesome about this. So this went through, it actually created it. It said, what's next? So now I can refine and customize. I could master prompting here. So it says, use chat mode to plan out your next project without having to make edits, and it gives me different best practices here. And it also tells me that I can transfer my product's code to GitHub if I want to be able to sync this. Now, if we come down here, we could see that this also threw an error. It told me that Supabase is a way to actually add some of these features. So it actually prompts me to connect Supabase and gives me knowledge and visits here. But I wanted to show you how easy this is when it actually throws an error. So again, this isn't going to be perfect. The same way that a dev isn't going to be perfect. But what this is perfect at is actually solving your issues. And again, you don't have to hire a developer then to solve your issues. You don't have to go back and forth with anybody. Instead, you're just going to be going back and forth with Lovable. So this right here, literally all I had to do was click on this. This went through and said, for the code present, I get the error below. Please think through step by step in order to resolve it. And it actually goes through and it resolved the issue right here. Now, in addition to this, if I click on this chat right here, this right here is what I was talking about earlier, where it says chat without making edits to your project. So I could chat without it making edits to anything so that we could actually just think through things, think through the best way to actually do things. Or if I click on this right here, I can select different things that I want to edit. So I can ask this to actually change it. For example, this will pull this up right here, and I will be able to change what this text actually looks like. Now, this right here is super unique. I have used so many different AI coders, and I haven't seen where I can actually do this incredibly easy. Or if I want to change the font weight or anything like that, makes it incredibly easy. Now, we could come over here, we could save this right here, or we could discard it. Now, this tool right here makes my life 100 times easier because anything that I want to change, anything that I want to edit, any errors that I come across, Lovable is going to be able to fix all of those things. Then once we go back and forth, we get this app up and running. Guess what we could do now? We can come up here into the top right hand corner. We could view the code in here. We could set up the database right here through Supabase. We could invite other people to collaborate on this. We can sync this project to GitHub, or if this was ready to publish, I literally could come over here and I could publish this incredibly quickly. I could publish it to a lovable.app domain, or I could add in my own custom domain if I wanted to. Literally all I have to do is click publish right here, and it's going to go ahead and publish this. And then if I wanted to change anything in the future, guess what? I literally just come back in here, come down to chat, and I could start changing things. Now, as we can see, it is literally live. This is live right here on its own custom app. I could send this to people like my coworkers. I could send this to a client, or it's just live now and people are going to be able to access it. Now, before I show you some of the amazing things that you could build with this to advance your career or make more money, I'd strongly suggest that you go to the pinned comment below to get started with Lovable today. It's the easiest and fastest way to build full stack websites and apps right now, and you're going to regret it if you don't start using it right now. Use case number one that I have for this tool is you can now use this to literally come through and create changes that you want to see at work happen immediately. I'm sure you've had this experience before if you work at a big company or even a small company. You've had an idea for a feature. You've seen your competitor do something. You've wanted to A/B test a landing page, but guess what? You aren't actually able to do that. For example, I actually have this experience all the time because I am an affiliate with a different YouTube channel for this website called vidIQ. Now, if we come over here, we could see the link that I actually have right here, and I want to change some things about this. Now, guess what I could do? I could copy this with Lovable. I could come over here and say, please clone this website. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to go through and this is actually going to clone this URL right here. Now, once I have it cloned, guess what I'm going to be able to do? I'm going to be able to then create changes, and I could do one of two things. I could then go back to this affiliate that I have and say, hey, I would prefer to use this link instead. Or I could say, hey, I've already built up the prototype for exactly what I want my new landing page to be because I think that it is actually going to work better. And then guess what? You have two options now of how to proceed, and this immediately would have made me more money, would have made me more valuable, and allows me to take the power out of a developer's hands and put it in my hands because now you don't need a developer to suggest changes, to suggest code, to build up prototypes. Literally, all you have to know how to do is be able to speak with chat right here and point to what you want to edit or give it an example of what you wanted to build, like I did right here, and Lovable handles all of the rest. This is going to allow you to advance your career. This is going to allow you to make more money, and quite frankly, it's just going to make you way more useful at your job, at your business, or just in general. Okay, now as we can see here, this literally went through and did this. So this is the template that it came up with. Looks almost exactly like what vidIQ had over here originally. Now guess what I could do? I could come in here, I can interact with Lovable, I can make all the changes that I want to make. In fact, the only thing that looks like it might be slightly different is really just this logo right here and some of the colors, which again, those are things that I am going to want to change if I want to actually test these things. And I'll literally just be able to click on this image right here and put in the correct logo. And again, this is going to allow me to make more money. This is going to allow me to optimize things, and you can do the same exact thing. But this is just the first thing that you can do. The second thing that you can do with this, if we come back over to dashboard right here, guess what you'll be able to do? You are going to be able to build MVPs for products. So you don't need a developer anymore to build an MVP for a product. Let's say that you have an idea for a new company, for a new service, for a startup. You want to be able to raise money, or you want to be able to begin collecting leads. You are going to be able to do that with Lovable. Just describe exactly what you want to do, and it will go ahead and actually do it. For example, that is exactly what this individual did right here with Lovable. We could click on preview right here. We could come over here and we could see this, that they built out Engine Arcade, which allows you to create games with just a prompt. You could type in a prompt and get a playable game instantly, no coding required, and it actually shows this off right here. And you could see that you can get early access right here by joining their waitlist. You could chat to create, no coding required, and it's instantly playable. Now, obviously, we can't access this just yet. This is a startup idea. This is an MVP, and they built this in Lovable, and you could do that same exact thing. So you can finally get that business that you want to create, or that startup you want to create, from being just an idea in your head to actually be something that you're moving forward with. And you could get started with that right now, this afternoon, simply by chatting with Lovable. Now, the third thing that you're going to be able to do once you begin using Lovable is you can begin to come to websites like Fiverr or any other app where people are trying to find freelancers. And guess what you can do now? You can now be a freelance developer. You can build landing pages for people. You could build websites for people. You could build mock-ups for people. You could build apps for people. You could build full stack apps and websites for people, and literally just come over here and you will be able to actually build this app. For example, if I put in here website and then we scroll down here, we could see that this person's making $80 building websites, $90 building websites, $125, $300. And guess what? They're all doing this tons of times. 394 reviews. And if we scroll down, we'll see more and more people. And it's not just for websites. If we come into something like app development, you are going to see the same exact thing. So guess what you will now be able to do? You will now be able to compete with these individuals that are making hundreds of dollars every single project that they do, and you will be able to do those too. You'll be able to actually bid, you'll actually be able to bid on certain projects, come over to Lovable, and then actually get Lovable to do the work, and you literally just type and it goes ahead and designs and develops. Now, in addition to that, another thing that you could potentially do if you wanted to go this route, you could find local restaurants. You could find local businesses, or you could find your favorite businesses or restaurants. Let's say you have an idea for a new feature that they should have, or a new website layout that they should have, or an app that they should build. You could go through, you could build the prototype on here, literally just send it to them, and then you just get paid for implementing that into their business, or implementing that into their website, or changing their website over, or actually publishing the app for them. And you don't have to go through, try to explain to people what you can do. Instead, you could build it out in just a few seconds and have something that you can actually show them, so you can do pitches like this way easier. Because in the past, you would have had to pitch them, you would have had to do the work, and then potentially get paid, and that would have taken you hours and hours on end. But that's the old way of doing things. Now, you could just use an AI builder like Lovable to replace any type of developer, or you needing to spend hundreds, if not thousands of hours learning how to code, and you just become good at prompting it and building things to solve problems that people are willing to pay to make go away. Now, if you like this video, you're gonna love this video right here, where I walk you through exactly how to build AI agents as a beginner, and the best part is you don't have to know how to code to do that either. I'll see you over there.